pag mag-restaurant ka, mag-strolling, gagala, kasi at least nakakahiga doon sila yun. Yung doon na gamit lang namin if in and out lang kami sa isang lugar, if we know na naka-carrier lang sila yun, or may doctor's appointment siya, yun ang gamit namin. Di mo ba considered si Yo-Yo stroller? I considered it initially, but I decided na I wanted the Jewels. We started with the Jewels Air Plus, and then nung nag-release sila ng Air 2, we got the Air 2. Actually, I should sell my Air Plus na kasi hindi na namin siya ginagamit, and we only used that one for a month. So, baka kailangan ko na mag-garage sale ulit ng mga pambatang stuff. Are you going to Gin Mania this year? Not sure if I am. I have to check the GC again kung ano yung dates. Kasi medyo madami kaming work pag this time of the year. So, if ever, I will join you in spirit. Ano marirecommend nyo kapag diaper rash? There's a number of products I've tried that have been useful. The Tiny Buds one na parang para sa rashes is hiyang si Leon doon. Mustela also has one na parang diaper rash na okay din, nagamit din namin. So, yun pa lang yung natatry ko. Aloha. Aloha. Saka mag-sell ng Stroller Me or other pre-love. Di ko pa nga sure. I think we should... Fofo and I have been talking about doing a garage sale na kasi ang dami na namin gamit. Although I do wanna save some things for future pamangkins or yung mga future kapatid ni Leon, kung meron man. Kasi sayang din yung damit. Sabi ko nga kay Lo, kung plano na nila mag-baby in the future, may nakatabi na kaming gamit para sa baby niya. And also, like, pag meron kaming pamangkin na lalaki din, why not? Kasi sila yun yung first na pamangkin dun sa side, na lalaki, sa side ng family ni Fofo. Hello po, Ate Megan, where's Fofo? So, I came from an event, kaya hindi ko siya kasama, kaya hindi ko siya din kasama si Leon. And Fofo is very masipag with his therapy para sa paan niya dahil na-injure siya last August. So, ito na yung time niya to recover and to heal. Pakita na natin yung hair natin na pinaghirapan. Pinaghirapan ayusin. Okay. Ooh. Oh, marami pala tayong questions dito. So, this one is from Popsy Berry. I have a low milk supply. What did you do to increase your milk supply? Ilang beses ka po nag 3 hours pump before? Dati hindi ako masipag mag-pump. Akala ko parang pump ka lang anytime, pwede na yun. Yun pala dapat consistent, dapat may schedule. So, trinay ko talaga yung parang sabi nila 8 pumps a day. Pero sobrang napagod ako dun. Parang sobrang nagutom ako, sobrang ibang level yung yung energy, yung loss of energy ko nun. So, I decided na eventually, mag-stick na lang ako to 5 pumps a day. Tapos, ever since, 5 pumps a day lang yung yung ginagawa ko. Mas marami lang akong tubig na iniinom, and I make sure to eat well. So, kailangan I eat nutritious food. Like, lagi ako nagugulay, laging may rice. Parang recently nga lang ako hindi nag-rice pag dinner. But dati laging red rice yung kinakain ko. And always water para lumakas yung milk supply. Kasi, ayun, eventually, lumakas din naman siya. Let's see. How do you know how much milk you need to give when bottle feeding? We asked our pedia kung ano yung range na dapat iniinom ni Leon for his age. So, we base it off of there. If kulang, dinadagdagan namin. Tapos pag lagi siya naglulungad, medyo binabawasan namin ng konti. There was a time na feeling namin, baka kailangan ni Leon ng more milk. So, medyo nasa 150 ml na kami per bottle. Pero by that time, he was always having spit up. So, binawasan na namin. And ngayon, medyo okay naman na. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Hello. When are you coming to India again? I don't know. It's been a while. My last time there was when I hosted Miss World just before I got pregnant. So, we'll see. Hi, Maggie. Keep on mothering. Thank you. Kaya mo yan, Suzy. Anong video game title nilalaro mo ngayon? Wala nga eh. Hindi ako nakakalaro. Dati nag-TFT ako. Pero ngayon kahit isang game hindi ko maisingit. Sad kasi bumili ako ng Battle Pass. Kailangan kong balikan. Sayang din yun. Actually kaya ako nagba-Battle Pass kasi nagkukulik ako ng mga map. Dahil gusto ko yung mga board nila. Di map eh. Yeah, yung mga board. Cute. How's Leon right now? Kailan siya makakasama sa vlog? Oh my God, can't wait. How's Leon right now? Okay, Leon is doing great. He is growing well. And hindi lang kami nakakapag-vlog pa. So, yun lang. Medyo hindi kami nakakapag-vlog kasi na-busy sa work. And sometimes nakakalimutan na lang namin, oh my gosh, kailangan pala natin mag-vlog or mag-content. If you've noticed, medyo kumonte yung pag-post namin kasi medyo parang life is just happening. So, we've been enjoying it a lot. But we try to do our content here and there. So, eto na. Pa-content tayo for today sa ating Q&A. Oh, was able to buy your clothes at Co-Create Studio. Sana makapag-pre-love ka ulit soon. Sana nga, I was just saying kanina na we need to do another garage sale dahil may mga gamit din kami na kailangan ibenta na, especially since may mga damit talaga ako na hindi na kasya sa akin, so I have to let go of them na. Miss your podcast. Sana po meron about parenting. Yes! Hopefully, soon makapag-shoot na kami ng episode. We've been meaning to shoot for a while na. It's just, like I mentioned kanina, life has been happening. Kaya, hindi pa kami nakapag-shoot ulit. Oh, you're a glowing mama. Thank you so much. Let's see. Oh my God, nag-release na yung 17 ng Bulacan Tour. Anong gagawin natin? I have steps for you. First is be excited kasi babalik sila dito. Second is to register for the membership pre-sale. Next is to save money. And then next is kung wala pang savings for ticket, iyak na lang. Joke. Or mag-message kayo kay Fofo na ilibre kayo ng ticket. Can't wait for parenting podcast. Yay! Maraming kailangan pag-usapan. Okay. I miss Bonizi and Fofo, but how's the parent life? Yeah, you know what? Fofo and I call each other Mama and Dada now. Tapos, napagkwentuhan namin na nakakamiss din yung tawagan natin na Bones and Fofo na, or yung Bonizi, Fofito. Wala, na-miss lang namin. Nasanay lang kami ngayon kasi, syempre, we want Leon to hear us say Mama and Dada. So, nakakamiss din. Bones and Fofo. Malay mo, Mama, Bones and Dada Fofo pala. Ang hirap, ang haba ng sasabihan ni Leon. What if di kasama ang PH sa BTS comeback? If hindi kasama ang Philippines, lilipad ako para sa kanila. Oh. What week was Leon when you started pumping? Leon was probably 3 weeks old when I started pumping. I didn't pump sooner kasi I really wanted to focus on just breastfeeding, not knowing na hindi pala nakakapag-latch si Leon sa akin. So, it was a bit difficult for me and medyo nagkaroon ako ng hesitation kasi nga I had an ideal na plan for my feeding journey with Leon. So, when it came to the time na first time ko magpapump, naiyak ako kasi akala ko I was giving up on breastfeeding. Pero yun pala, I mean, it was for the better na rin that I pumped because at least I knew how much I was pumping. At least I knew how much I was able to give Leon. And yeah, eventually we addressed the feeding issues and the latching issues that he had. Oh, sorry, I didn't watch the Miss Earth finale, so I don't know. I don't know what happened. Let's see. Madam Bonisi, I miss you, yay! Nakakamiss din, no? Nakakamiss yung content. Oh my gosh, I'm almost home na. So, I think I'm gonna end the live soon. Kasi pag uwi ko ng bahay, I have to take care of Leon. I'm not driving. I wouldn't do a live if I was driving. I'm currently in the passenger seat. But yes, I can drive in Manila. I love driving. It's just I had a work day today, so it was just easier to have somebody help me get to my destination. Hello, Ka-Army. Magka-birthday ang baby natin. Wow! Happy birthday! Wow! Happy birthday agad. Okay, I'm home na, guys. So, see you guys soon online. I'm also super low bat. So,